Unveiling the beauty of cosmetic restoration. Hello and welcome, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that combines both aesthetics and rejuvenation: cosmetic restoration. This term might sound complex at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand not just its meaning but also its significance in various contexts. Whether it's art, automobiles, or architecture, cosmetic restoration plays a crucial role in bringing back the original beauty of objects. So, let's embark on this fascinating journey together. At its core, cosmetic restoration refers to the process of making something look better on the outside, without changing its functionality or structure. It's all about aesthetic improvements and surface-level repairs. Imagine an old painting that's lost its vibrance over the years, or a classic car that looks worn out. Cosmetic restoration would involve cleaning, repairing, and restoring the appearance of these items to their former glory, making them visually appealing once again. Art and antiques. In the world of art and antiques, cosmetic restoration is a delicate process. It involves cleaning the artwork, fixing any minor damages, and sometimes retouching the paint, all while preserving the original materials and craftsmanship. Automobiles. For classic cars and motorcycles, cosmetic restoration might include repainting, polishing, and replacing or restoring the upholstery. The goal is to bring back the vehicle's original charm without altering its engineering integrity. Architecture. Buildings and monuments also undergo cosmetic restoration. This can involve cleaning the facade, repairing damaged masonry, and restoring ornamental details to preserve historical accuracy and beauty. Cosmetic restoration is not just about making things look pretty. It's a way to preserve history, maintain the value of objects, and in many cases, protect them from further deterioration. It allows us to appreciate the beauty and craftsmanship of older items, ensuring they can be enjoyed by future generations. And there you have it, a closer look at the beautiful world of cosmetic restoration. It's a field that combines artistry with respect for history and craftsmanship, ensuring that the beauty of the past remains vibrant and accessible in the present. We hope this video has shed some light on this fascinating topic and inspired you to appreciate the importance of aesthetic restoration in our lives. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.